See, if you see the price shift for overhead tank stand, after watching this video, now you go advise yourself, now you go answer yourself, because this will not be mistake. Now plan disaster. Watch this video first, make you see.
No, I think the water will put this in here. I bought and I never copy.
Never come up on down.
Never copy.
Imagine. 3 times like this, after time, 3 times. And the Lord put again, the same people not do the room. People not do the room.
You see as that tank force scatter everywhere. Now imagine say person dey pass all those places, or maybe children dey play around. Now one decision, make I save money, or rather maybe the workman don't even know wetin they do, wetin they buy, because most artisans and their own too much. Although you understand that, make I save money for the client aspect, fit cost person like. Now make I talk truth like professional. The can't failure not just happen like say maybe you understand. Yeah, it get causes. Now make I touchlight the causes, because for that video you get many causes. Even yourself will know some of the causes.
I'm scared.
One of the number one causes now cheap material, where we also know as inferior material or substandard materials. Now you go hear something like engineer, your own too cost. Next thing, they will carry that work, go give another person, and that person go use like let's say 1.5 mm or 2 mm pipe for something we be see, for something we suppose carry thousands of liters of water. Now see something, water not dey pity anybody. 1 liter now 1 kg, now 7,500 liters down to one alone now like 7.5 tons. You think say that small pipe go fit hold down? Now we could move on to the number 2, which is the wrong design and calculations. This one they very important. Now some welders not they calculate load at all. They want to just work based on maybe their current experience, no structure, no even engineering experience. Now guess what they carry life? No. Now the number 3 causes now missing materials. You go use original one for this side, you go use inferior one for this side, you go all substandard for this side, you go use, you understand, miss the materials. Sometimes you dey put inferior material for where you say need strong material. In fact, not even miss the material. You go see galvanized joints with weak black pipe. Why? Different strength, different behavior. When load come now, that wahala does start with that. Now the number 4 now poor foundation and base, which I obviously talk small, but make I say touch like small. Even if this stand strong, if base not correct, it goes still fail. That's not go still fail. That's just the simple truth. Now the number 5 na the plumbing wahala. Now person will build stand for maybe like let's say small 3 tanks. The plumber will come mount bigger tanks. Sometimes based on the client discretion. You understand? Now overload don't happen with that. Before you know, while as a professional with that talk, if overhead tank collapse, 4 things go likely happen. Go likely go, which is the number 1, the stand, number 2, the tank, number 3, the property, and number 4, and worst case, which is the worst case, is human life. Imagine say people there around there. Can you imagine tank your person 2 years ago, say 1 year ago, before you know tank your 4, you don't go with that. And the painful part, you go still spend like times 10, or man don't put times 10, let's say times 5, you understand, or 40 you supposed to spend before. So what is the need? What is the essence? Go for quality. So now what will be the solution? I get about 5.
You got this.
The number 1, use correct thickness material. No manage life, I just go beg you. No Yakupo, no manage life, I just go beg you. Now the number 2, let professional do proper load calculation. As you calculate your structure, you calculate the load, know how many tank that your tank stand one carry. Understand? And make sure say you let the clients know, and clients if they watch this video, make sure say as you tell the engineer or whether say na 3 tank you want put, make sure say it give you that structure of 3 tanks and not use over 3 tanks. Please. Then the number 3, no missing of inferior material in idea weathers, no miss substandard materials together to work for client. And number 4, build strong base. Very important. Now we they carry the load with that. Build base wey go carry 4 tanks if the client say make the tank carry 4 tanks. Build base wey go carry 5 tanks if the client say na 5 tanks e wan carry. Build base wey go carry 3 tanks if the client say na 3 tanks e wan carry. No go build base of 3 tanks wey client tell you say na 5 tanks e wan carry. I use God beg you. And abeg, stop choosing price over quality. Stop choosing price over qualities. Client, I dey beg you for this one. And the weather, I still dey beg you on the other hand. If client pay for quality material, abeg use quality materials for am. And if you dey pay for substandard material, tell am the consequences. I use God beg you. Tell am the consequences. No go rush carry cheap work based on say you wan carry work. Just dey reason your belle alone. You understand? No cause disaster for our country. My fellow engineers, my fellow fabricator, my fellow clients. Understand? My fellow Nigerians. Now, I wan ask you one question. I ask you this one question. Abeg, answer me. If person quote you quality work and another person quote you cheaper work, which one you go choose? And if anything happen, you go blame the person or you go blame yourself, or rather, who you go blame? Talk true for the comment section. See you in my next video. Follow for more BD tips and nice content like this. See you. Peace out.